Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make ship or friendship edits. Uh, Basically crack ship edits, which is for your OC and the person they are with or their friends or anything like that really. I noticed a lot of people that I've been talking to recently don't really know how to do this. Here's an example of what I am talking about. Is basically putting two GIFs together and using it for that purpose. So we have two websites we're going to be using today. We're going to be using this one and this one. This one is only to get the dimensions of the GIF. So you're going to go ahead and get your two GIFs open. One is of Holland Roden as Lydia Martin. The other is as Tyler Posey as Scott McCall from Teen Wolf. So you're going to right click, press copy image address, go to the website. It will be linked down below, and you're going to want to make sure you have the crop option highlighted. And then you're going to press upload. Now, this little box doesn't really care. You're going to go straight down and press crop image. Make sure it is covering the full GIF. This is just so you can immediately copy the image and put it in the GIF maker. Now, scrolling back up, you're going to open this in another tab, again with crop. And you're going to be looking at the dimensions of the GIF. So this one is 400 by 222. This one is 400 by 214. Now, because you have to have the GIFs at the exact same height, otherwise, when you make the GIF, it will end up looking like this. With the previous GIF, the bigger one, showing underneath. And you could crop it out after, but I just find it works so much easier this way if you just do it like this. So let me uncheck that. I don't know why that was checked. So this one needs to be 214. So you're going to go here to the number you need to change and put 214 and press set, and it'll bring it up. And then go down and press copy image. All right. So on to the next site. Here you're going to upload a random image. It doesn't really matter what. Doesn't matter. You just need to get access to this. So over here, right at the very end, there's help, and then there's animation. You are going to click animation, and you're going to take that Scott GIF that you just converted and press copy image address. And then you're going to go here and paste that into the bar and press upload. Once it's done, you're going to get your GIF of Lydia. Since this one is literally the exact same, nothing changed, I'm just going to copy this one. And you're going to go here, enter that one. And once that's done, you're going to press create animation. And now that that's done, you have your crack ship GIF completely finished. So you're going to press save as, just save it to anywhere and go to Imgur. You're going to need to make it Imgur if you don't have it already, because Tumblr sometimes, with the way it works, it does not upload the GIFs as it properly should. Imgur, I have never had a problem with it. All my crack ship GIFs upload completely fine. So you're going to click it, drag it over here once on Imgur, and upload it. Now, sometimes what'll happen with GIFs is you'll have, oh, this one has it, good. Okay, so sometimes what you'll have is you'll have this thing, which is playing, because technically the GIF is so big it's being registered as an MP4. You're going to right click it, press copy video address, come up here to your bar and enter it. Do not actually press enter. Well, you can't press enter, but you're going to change the MP4 at the end to GIF. And now it works as a GIF, and you can post it anywhere. You can, it will work as a GIF. So that is how you do it. That is how you make your little crack ship GIFs. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will leave this website, both the websites actually that I am using, down below. And I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial. I will also be leaving Photopea down below, because it's basically Photoshop. You can't upload videos to it and edit it like, you know, you can with some Photoshops. But it is basically Photoshop for free. I've never had a problem with it. I use it to make icons and everything. So all three of these sites will be linked down below. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment them down below, and I will do my very best to help everyone. Bye-bye!